Did you know that trading with gold is the fastest way to make money? If you know how to trade gold, you are gonna make a lot of money in short amount of time. But if you don't know how to trade, you will definitely lose your money. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how you will make it. All you must know is the basics in trading, like bullish and bearish candlestick, how to draw trend lines, and finally how to spot support and resistance. If you do not know these basic things, then please do yourself a favor and watch them. I want you all to understand that gold can move very, very fast. That is, it can make big moves really fast up and down. Due to this high volatility, traders like to trade in gold. So we have to get in fast and exit our trade really fast. So with the strategy that I'm about to show you, is really going to help you get in and get out quickly, in 5 minutes or maximum for 45 minutes to 1 hour. So the first thing you need is exponential moving averages. You can see the orange and red lines on the charts. Those are the exponential moving averages. Exponential moving averages used are 9 and 15. So once the exponential moving averages are set, you will only trade when price is above or below the exponential moving averages. If the price is below EMA, look for sell entries. And if the price is above EMA, look for buy entries. Now that you have understood the basic part, you will enter with the help of bullish and bearish big candlestick confirmations. So the second thing you need is candlestick understanding. So I highly recommend you to at least watch my candlestick video. Once you have identified where is price, you need to look for big candlestick to enter the trade. Bigger the candlestick, better is the chance that you will be profitable. The third thing you need is target price and stop loss. Suppose you had entered at this big bearish candle. Your stop loss will be here, and the target should be at least 2 times more than your stop loss. The best way to take target is to look to the left of charts. This will help you see a bigger picture, by which you can see previous swing low and highs. That will give you a probable target idea. This is one of my secrets on how I take my targets. If you want to learn more of my trading methods, then make sure you are subscribed and also like this video. Remember, this is a scalping strategy, so your stop loss should not be big. Keep the stop loss 0.8 to 1% above from the current candle of your entry. Few examples are like this with entry exit. Remember to always look at the left. This is the most important part. The biggest mistake that you are going to make is take a guess. Not being patient. You have to let the candlestick close before you even think about entering the trade. Such big candlesticks are rarely formed in markets, so you have to wait in order to get the strategy working. Let me summarize the most important points for you all.